Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am JP Dimri, former professor of Russian from the Department of Russian Studies, English and Foreign Languages, University Hyderabad, Indian Grammatical Tradition, Pan and Linguistics. In the previous module, we discussed the derivation of verbs in all 10 lakaras. Now here we shall talk about word formation in Sanskrit. So this is the module number 1 is word formation 1, Krit Pratyaya, primary suffixes. As was said before, that largest section of Ashtadhyayi is devoted to description of pratyayas. That is, adhyayas 3rd, 4th and 5th contain all the suffixes in Ashtadhyayi. The adhyayas 3rd to 5th contain all classes of suffixes such as inflectional, derivational and vikarana class forming suffixes. The derivational suffixes fall into two major categories. Suffixes directly added to dhatu, verbal root, are called krit pratyayas, primary suffixes. Suffixes added to an already derived form are called tadhit pratyaya, secondary suffixes. For example, the word Buddha, awakened, enlightened, is derived from the root budh, awaken, by adding the krit suffix ta, Buddha plus ta, Buddha. From the word Buddha, by adding a tadhit pratyaya, one can derive the word Bodha, a follower of the enlightened one, a Buddhist. We shall discuss here major krit pratyayas. The suffixes other than thing, which are added to a root, a dhatu, are called krit pratyayas. The Sutra Kridating 3.193 defines the term krit. It states that the suffixes other than thing are called krit. The sutra falls under the domain of Adhikara Sutra, governing rule dhatoho 3.191, meaning after a root. The jurisdiction of this sutra extends up to the end of the 3rd adhyaya of the Ashtadhyayi. It may be noted that suffixes such as sun, etc., which are used to form complex roots, and suffixes like the vikaranas such as shap, etc., though added to a verbal root, are not called krit suffixes. Notice that most of the krit derivates are nouns derived from verbal roots. The term krit also denotes participles which are treated as a subclass of nouns. For example, the present participle with the suffix shatri, as gachan, one who goes. Gerund and infinitives are also included under the term krit. For example, gerunds formed with the affix twa, as gatva, having gone, etc. Krityas is a subclass of krit suffixes. The kritya suffixes are listed under the sutra Krityaha Prag Naulaha 3.195 up to sutra Chityagni Chitye Cha 3.132. So from sutra 3.195 to Sutra 3.132 are Kritya suffixes. The Kritya suffixes denote the meaning of bhava, action, and karma, object. The Kritya suffixes are tabyat, tabya, aniyar, yat, kyap, and nyat. The term Kritya is also used in the sense of a word ending in a kritya suffixes. Let us now discuss some of the important krit suffixes. First, we shall examine the Kritya Pratyayas. Notice that Krit suffixes are added to a verbal root. Kritya Pratyayas tabyat, tabya, aniyar, yat, rinat will be described as follows. Let us now describe the derivation of Patitavyam. Patitavyam is formed by adding the Kritya suffix tabya, Kritya suffixes tabyat or tabya. The suffix tabyat is added to the root pat by the sutra tabyat tabya niyaraha 3196. Pat plus tabyat, pat plus tabya, augment it is added to the root by ardhatuka shade baladehe 7235. Pat plus it plus tabya, pat plus e plus tabya. Now Patitavya is termed as Krit by Kridating 3193. Now Patitavya is called Pratipadika, nominal base, by Sutra Kritadit Samasascha 1246. Now suffix sup is added to Pratipadika Patitavya plus su. Su is replaced by atom 7124. We get the form Patitavyam, should be studied. Similarly, Chetavyam, Netavyam are derived. Suffix aniyar, pat plus aniyar, suffix aniyar is added by 3196. Pat plus aniyar, pataniya plus su, su is replaced by so we get the form pataniyam, worthy of reading. Similarly, chayaniyam, jayaniyam, etc. Suffix yat, the suffix, the sutra acho yat 3197 states that the suffix yat is added to a root ending in a vowel, in a ach. Chi plus yat, chi plus ya, guna by sardhatuka ardhatuka yoho 7384. Cheya plus su, cheya plus cheyam should be selected. Similarly, ji plus yat, cheyam, ni plus yat, neyam, etc. Suffix nyat, pat plus nyat, suffix nyat is added to root pat by Rehalo Nyat 33124. Pat plus ya, vriddhi for a of root pat by ato upadhaya 72116. Pathya plus su, su is replaced by pathya plus pathyam. Similarly, from root pach, pathyam. Suffix nul is added to the root pat by rule trichou 3133. Pat plus rule, pat plus wu, wu is replaced by ak by yuvo ranako 711. Pat plus ak, vriddhi by 72116 for or pata, pathaka, a reader. Similarly, from kri plus nul, karakaha, doer. Suffix trich is added to the root pat by rule trichou 3133. Pat plus trich, pat plus 3. Augment it by 7235. Pat plus it plus 3. Pati plus 3 plus su. Anang in place of re by 7194. So pathit plus anang plus su. So pathit an plus su. Dirgha, lengthening of the vowel o by patita by 648. So patitan plus saw, patitans, deletion of saw by 6168. Pathitan. Deletion of no by 8 to 7. We get the form Pathita, one who reads. Similarly, from roots, Kri plus Trich, Karta, doer, Ni plus Trich, Neta, leader, etc. Suffix ta and tavatu. The suffixes ta and tavatu are called nishtha. The suffix ta is past passive participle and tavatu is past active participle. Suffixes ta and tavatu are termed as nishtha by the sutra tak tavatu nishtha 1:126. Pat plus ta, augment it by 7 to 35. Pat plus it plus ta, pat plus e plus ta, pathit plus su, pathitas, pathitaha, which is read. Similarly, kri plus ta, kritaha, which is done. Chi plus ta, chitaha, jitaha, nitaha, etc. Suffix tavatu. Pat plus tavatu, pat plus tavat, plus it plus tavat, pathitavat, dirgha or vowel o by o pathitavat, pathitavat, augment num is inserted by ugidacham sarvnamasthane dhatoho. Ugidacham sarvnamasthane dhatoho. Ugidacham sarvnamasthane dhatu 7:170. Pathitavant plus su, pathitavant plus sa, deletion of sa by 6:168 and deletion of ta by samyogantasya lopaha 8:223. Pathitavan, one who has read. Similarly, kritavan from the root kri, jitavan from the root jit, it's g, from the root g, etc. Now, suffix ghaya. Now we shall talk about other krit suffixes. Suffix ghaya is added to the root pat by bhave 3:318. The sutra states that the suffix ghaya is introduced after a verbal root to denote an action. In other words, to derive an action noun patha plus a. Lengthening of the penultimate vowel of root patha by 7 to 116. Patha plus a, patha plus su, patha, lesson. Similarly, pakaha from pach. Suffix ach. Suffix ach is added to verbal root chi by a rach 3:356. The sutra states that suffix ach is added to a verbal root ending in e to form an action noun denoting a karaka other than the agent. Chi plus ach, chi plus a, guna, che plus a, aya in place of a of che, chaya, chaya plus a, chaya plus su, chaya plus sa, chayas, chayaha, collection. Similarly, jayaha from ji, nayaha from ni. Suffix tin is added to a verbal root by striyam tin 3:394 to form an action noun or to denote a karaka other than the agent in the feminine gender. Kri plus tin, kri plus ti, kriti plus su, kritis, kritihi, action, work, performance. Similarly, chitihi, stutihi, etc. Notice that this sutra is an ixam to bhave 3:318. Suffix lut. Suffix lut is introduced after a verbal root to form a neuter action noun by lut cha 3:3:115. Pat plus lut, pat plus u. U is replaced by an by 7:1:1. Pat plus an plus su, patan plus su, Patan plus patanam, reading. Similarly, has plus lut, has plus an plus hasanam, laughter. Similarly, sobhanam, etc. Suffix tumun is introduced by the sutra Samana Kartrikeshu Tumun 3.3.158. The sutra states that the suffix tumun is added to a verbal root co-occurring with another verb denoting the sense of wish, provided the two or more actions are performed by the same agent. Pata plus tumun, augment it is added to the root pat. Pat plus it plus tumun. Pat plus e plus tum. Patitum. Patitum ichhati, desires to study or read. Notice that patitum is treated like an avyaya, indeclinable. Hence, the sup suffixes are deleted by avyadap supaha 2.4.82. Similarly, jetum wishes to win, kartum wishes to do. Tumun is the infinitive forming suffix. Suffix twa. Twa is gerund forming suffix. The sutra Samana Kartrikayo Purvakale. Samana Kartrikayo Purvakale 3.4.21 states that the suffix twa is introduced after one of the two verbal roots having the same agent whose action precedes that of the other. For example, Patitva Gacchati, having studied, he goes. So pat plus tva by 3.4.21, augment it is added to the root. So patitva, pat plus tva, augment it, patitva. So the action reading, studying precedes the action of going. So pat plus tva by 3.4.21, augment it is added to the root. So pat plus e plus tva, patitva. Now patitva is treated as an avyaya, indeclinable by tvato sunka sunaha 1.1.40. The sutra states that the expression ending in suffix tva, tosun and kasun are treated like avyaya, indeclinables. So after patitva plus sup, the sup suffixes are deleted by 2.4.82. Similarly, bhuktva, having eaten, paktva, having cooked, etc. Suffix shatri. Shatri is present active participle suffix. Notice that the suffix shatri is introduced by parasmay pada verbal roots. Pat plus shatri, pat plus satri is pat plus satri, suffix satri is added lataha satri sanacho apratama samanadhikarane 3.2.124. The sutra states that the suffix satri and sanach are introduced in the place of lat when it has the same reference with the nominal base other than the first case. Pat plus satri, pat plus at, pat plus sap plus at, pat plus o plus at, pura rupa by 6.197, pathat. Pathat gets the status of pratipadika, nominal base, by 1.2.46. Hence, sup is added to pathat, pathat plus su, augment num is added to pathat by 7.170, pata plus num plus ta plus su, pathant plus sa, deletion of sa by 6.168, deletion of ta by 8.2.23, we get the form pathan, patan, patanto, patantaha. These are nominal, singular, dual and plural forms. For example, patantam devadattam pasya, Look at the Devdatta who is reading. Suffix sanach. Suffix sanach is a present passive participle suffix. Sanach is introduced after the Atmanepada verbs. Pach is an Atmanepada verb. Pach is a Ubhayapadi. Pach plus sanach, pach plus sap plus sanach, pach plus o plus ana. Augment muk is added to the root of root pach by ane muk. 7282. Pat plus o plus muk plus an. Pachamana. Pachamana gets the designation of a pratipadika by 1246. Pachamana plus su. Pachamanas. Pachamanaha. Pachamanam. Devdattam pasya. Look at the Devdatta who is cooking. In this module, we have described the major krit suffixes. As we mentioned that within the krit suffixes, there is a subgroup of suffixes called kritya pratyayas. The suffixes discussed here are kabya, tabyat, aniyar, yat, nyat, rul, krich, to, tavatu, gaya, ach, ktin, lut, tumun, twa, satri, and sanach. Notice that once a krit suffix is added to a root, the root along with the krit suffix gets the designation of a pratipadika, nominal base, and it behaves like a nominal stem to which sup declensional suffixes are added so that it becomes a pada. For further details, you are advised to go through the chapter 7 of Paninian linguistics of P.S. Subramaniam and Kridanta Prakarana of Siddhant Kaumdi of Bhattoj Dikshita and Laghu Siddhant Kaumdi of Bharadwaraja. In this module, we have tried to discuss primary suffixes, krit suffixes. As we said, within the krit suffixes, there is another group called kritya. So kritya suffixes and some of the most used important krit suffixes have been discussed here. Thank you.